Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael Hamway, owner and CEO of Kava. And today we have a great episode for you. We're going to be trying out some drinks. So we're going to go through the strongest, the most beginner friendly, the most overrated, and my personal favorite today. So come with me, we're going to make these and we're going to try them out. All right, so we're going to start with the most beginner friendly drink that we have here at Kava, and that's going to be the dragon juice. One of my personal favorites just because there's limited syrup. You don't oversaturate it with the flavor, but it still masks the negative flavor of the tea itself. So come with me, let's try this out. So we add our base tea, do some lemonade. We're gonna come over here to the syrups. I'm gonna add some hibiscus and some dragon fruit. And we're gonna shake it up. It's a perfect pink color. And this is your dragon juice with powdered green. And our powder tea is a lot less intense than our crushed leaf. So it makes it the perfect beginner drink, in my opinion. So cheers. Very good. Still has that flavor to it, still has that bite, but it's not overpowering with a ton of different flavors in it at one time. So great one to start off with. For those who are more experienced and want a more powerful drink and have the expertise in that, I'm gonna go with the Pink Ember. That's one of our newest drinks that has come out, but I'm gonna make it with Extra Love, which is our strongest base tea. It's 3 times the strength of our normal tea, as well as add an extract booster as well to the drink. So hopefully I'm not asleep on the ground in a few minutes, but it can make you very sleepy when you do that much extract and that much tea. So let's see. All right, so we're gonna start off the Pink Ember with some apple, dragon fruit, and strawberry. So similar flavors to what we just did with a little bit of a change up. So we try to switch up the menu every 6 months. It doesn't always work that way, but we do try to switch it up every couple months just to keep things new and fresh. And Pink Ember is actually a monthly special that landed on the menu because of how popular it was. And someone didn't refill the lemonade. It's okay, she was late today too. All right, so we're doing the Extra Love, which is our 3 times the normal strength of our normal products. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the extract. Okay, so the extract is just a chemical extraction of the kratom leaf itself, making a very concentrated dose of kratom. This is not 7-OH, it's completely different. So make sure that you understand that part too. So we added the Extra Love strain because at the end of the day, we have a lot of people who have been coming here for years and years and years, and they want a stronger product. So we listened to our customers and we wanted to give them what they were desiring. So when you make a drink that's this strong, it's gonna be very, very bitter. It actually is a darker color too. But let's try this out because this looks fantastic. Very bitter. And the apple makes it even more bitter. But at the end of the day, I can feel how strong it is. And I gotta say, for the veterans, this is a good go-to. So one of the things that I thought I should let you guys know is that we have 2 different extracts, both at different percentages, because one is stronger than the other. So this is your 50% kratom extract, and then this is your 70% kratom extract. This one is odorless, flavorless, and basically colorless. This one's a little bit darker. It's a little bit more bitter. It makes the tea even more bitter. So I prefer having the 70% over the 50. After 5 years in the industry, one of the things that people always ask me is why I don't get the strongest drink imaginable, considering I'm drinking it all day, every day. And the reason is because I don't feel the need to have the strongest product possible. I still get the same results with a lesser strength that I just go with that one. So when people talk about it being addicting, I don't get that and I don't understand it purely because I've never had the desire to increase the strength level to get the same feeling I do from the lower dose. All right, now we're gonna make Jess's favorite drink, which I personally think is very overrated and a lot of people love it. So let's make the Ocean Reef. While I don't like it, seems like it's a very popular one. So we're gonna go blue raz, passion fruit, and then lemonade. Ocean Reef was also a monthly special at one point as well and made itself onto the menu. Jess invented this drink and then it made itself onto the menu when we were doing employee special drinks. So let's try this out. I definitely think it's overrated already, but very sweet, but very, very good. Since I'm behind the bar and I'm interrupting Izzy's shift while we do this, what is your most overrated drink?
Pomegranate mule.
I would also agree with that to some degree. Very popular, but I don't get it. I don't get the hype. But there is somebody who's obsessed.
Yeah, guys, don't listen to the pomegranate mule hate. It is the best drink on the menu. I got it as my first drink, and 3 years later, it's still my go-to. So yeah, don't listen to the propaganda that they say about the pomegranate mule. It's the best.
Before we continue, can we take a look at Maddie's office right now?
Going on, all right?
He's got a lot of things going on right now. So my drink of choice was always the strawberry zinger. We're gonna make that. But recently, me being a creature of habit, it takes a lot for me to switch, and I would actually switch to something else as my favorite drink. So we're gonna go and make both of them and put them side by side for you guys. All right, so let's start with the strawberry zinger with powdered green. I loved the strawberry zinger purely because of the bitterness of it, and it was very less sugary than most. So we do lime juice, lemonade, some strawberry puree, and then the green, and we gotta shake it. We're gonna save this to taste it. All right, so let's make my drink. So my drink is extremely simple. It's green powder, which we're gonna put in there now. And because I'm me, free pour the peach, and then our special juice. I told one of my Kava tenders, and she's actually working today, to make me something good that wasn't overly sweet, and this is what she came up with. All right. So massive color difference, right? Let's try them out. It's still good. The zinger is still good. However, it's just not my palate anymore. You know, it's like that ex that comes over that you're happy to see but want to leave because there's something better right in front. It's delicious. It covers up the taste of the kratom, but it doesn't over hit you in the face with flavor. Those are my two. All right, thanks guys for hanging around and seeing us make some of these drinks, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope my owner expertise helped you decide on your next drink when you come in.